In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Now click on this red button at the bottom to start your recording. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this left button. And in order to pause it or unpause it, on the right one. You can end your recording right away by tapping on the same red button again. As you can see, mine is over here. You can play it by clicking on it. If you want to rename it, go back, hold it, select rename at the bottom and type in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, click on OK. You can also delete it by holding it, but this time picking the delete icon at the bottom and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!